Hey you guys, back with another video. Today I made my homemade chicken and rice bowl with avocado. I have melted cheese, bacon I fried and crumbled bell peppers. I have tomatoes, I have onions, rice of course, and chicken. This is so good and it's cost friendly. Instead of stopping at Chipotle, I make my own bowl. And if I didn't say it, I think I did, bacon. So it's still hot, you guys. I'm gonna try it. Good. And I put this on my avocado. And of course I got my lemonade with ice because it's like 90 degrees out. This is so good, you guys. And this is the rice that I use. They had all different varieties of flavor, but this is good. The tomato, onions. Let me get one more bite. Let me get some of this chicken on here. So good. I thank you for watching. And bye-bye for now.